Hello folks, Richard Fontana here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Okay, this isn't going to be a long sales video. Your time's valuable, and so is mine. Hi, I'm Dawud Islam, and over the past 2 years, I've scaled up my income from 0 to over $35,000 in revenue each and every month. Here's some recent proof. And here's another. In the process, I've launched 25 websites and almost 40 products, and I now benefit from over 30,000 members inside my Elite Tigers group. So, what I'm doing today is giving you the benefit to tap into some of my traffic. Welcome to Place Your Link. That's right. I'm going to let you place any link of your choice onto a rotator and then email it out to all 30,000 members across my group every single day for as long as my sites exist. Your link will be seen every single day by proven buyers. But that's not all. I'm also going to be sharing the links directly on my 25 websites, on my corporate website elitetigersgroup.org, and on my blog site dawudislam.com. Yes, for a one-time crazy low price, you're going to benefit from free targeted traffic to any link forever. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Place Your Link before the price goes up. Step 2. Place any URL of your choice to be added to the rotator. And step 3. Sit back and relax as you benefit from free targeted buyer traffic each and every day. But act fast. Let me tell you a really big secret. At the start of the launch, there are no links on the Sales Rotator. That means that those who take fast action will get way more clicks to their links than those who delay. Because at the start of the launch, every single click could be going to their offers. So, the longer you delay, the less traffic you will get. This really is the ultimate product for fast action takers who pick up a copy during the launch period. I said that I wouldn't take up much of your time, so now it's up to you to decide. Do you want free traffic for life for less than the cost of a pizza? Or do you want to carry on as before, struggling to get anyone to visit your page? Don't worry if you say no. It means there'll be more traffic for everyone else. But if you say yes, then I'll see you on the inside, where we can get your free traffic started in less than 60 seconds from now. Take care and have a great day.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.